Okay, this is the introduction to the data collection kit. Inside the kit, we have multiple tubs, and each tub has different sensors and or data collection devices. In the first tub is the SpectroViz Plus. There are 12 of these and the connection cords that go with it. In the second large tub are the LabQuest 2s along with the power supplies. In this first smaller tub are 12 pH sensors. In the second smaller tub are 12 conductivity probes. And the last thing in the kit are 12 temperature sensors. So when you get the kit, the one thing you're going to need to do is take these pH probes and have them sit upright. You can leave them in the tub, but if you look in the sensors here, there's liquid in these little containers, and the liquids need to be covering the bulbs at the bottom of the sensors. So if you keep this upright like this, you can lean it up against whatever, then they're staying wet. So when you receive the kit, make sure you double check the number of each of the sensors in there. Make sure that you have 12 of each one. That way, if something were to happen while you have it and one were to go missing, you knew that there was 12 to begin with, and so there was one missing. If there is one missing, please email us and let us know that there is a sensor missing so that we know that. We do go through these when they're back at Purdue, and we will double check to make sure that all the sensors are in there. When you are completely done with the kit, put all the sensors back in the correct tubs or bags. The way that these were packaged, you had the two large kits were on one side, stacked on top of each other. They sit on one side. The two smaller kits stack on the other side. And then your temperature probes go back in the bag, and then they go down in next to the smaller kits, or smaller tubs. When everything is back in the tub, you will take off the zip ties that are going to be inside here, and you will shut these up, and then you will zip tie where the holes are on the outside. You will zip tie one on one side, and you will zip tie one on the other side. And then we will get it back with a shipping label will be sent to your school, and you will then ship it back to us. Thank you.